Despite all of the excitement surrounding it, the 2024 Audi S6 E-Tron has not yet been formally released. However, the information we know comes from declarations, tipped off, and educated estimates. This is what we currently know. Publication and cost. Official release. Although sources suggest it may happen in late 2024 or early 2025, Audi has not officially announced a date for delivery. Pricing estimates. Experts believe the base rear-wheel drive model will start at about $55,000, and higher trims with all-wheel drive and extra equipment might cost up to $80,000. Exterior design. Fresh inclusion. Audi's electric lineup will see the A6 e-tron join models such as the Q4 e-tron SUV and e-tron GT Sports sedan. Sleek and athletic, anticipate a contemporary style featuring defining features from Audi, such as a closed grille and angular lines. There are rumors that the hatchback will have a sloping roofline and plenty of storage space similar to the S7. Engine and performance. Numerous options. Audi intends to provide single and dual motor versions, which equate to all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive setups. This is consistent with Audi's history of AWD excellence. Outstanding range. Based on estimates, it can travel up to 430 miles between charges, making it one of the best EVs available. Specifics of power. Although exact horsepower and torque numbers remain unknown, one can anticipate competitive power and torque within the luxury electric sedan class. Technology and the interior. Focus on luxury. With premium materials, cozy seating, and lots of room, the interior should embody Audi's dedication to luxury. Technologically advanced features. A state-of-the-art infotainment system, sophisticated driver assistance functions, and seamless connectivity options are to be expected. Particulars. We still don't have any information about specific features like screen sizes, purchasable packages, or driver assistance systems. As a whole, in the market for electric luxury sedans, the 2024 Audi S6 e-tron has the potential to revolutionize the industry. It's a car to watch out for with its predicted outstanding range, dynamic styling, and emphasis on comfort and technology. But keep in mind that all of the information shown here is based on rumors and announcements. Official confirmation from Audi is still awaited.